In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track traffic in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your site to Google Analytics so you can see who's visiting, which pages get attention, and how people interact with your content. Before we begin, it helps to have your Google Analytics tracking ID ready. If you're using Google Analytics 4, that's called a measurement ID, and it starts with G followed by a series of characters. If you're using an older Universal Analytics property, it starts with UA. Either way, have that code handy so you can paste it in without hunting around. If you're not sure where to find it, look in your Analytics admin settings under your properties data stream. The measurement ID is clearly listed there. Let's get started. First, open your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the site, and open the site in the editor so you can change its settings. This ensures you're making changes in the right place and that they'll apply to your live site. Next, click the gear icon to open settings and choose Analytics. This takes you to the section where Google Sites connects with Google Analytics. You'll see a simple field where your tracking code goes. The interface is intentionally minimal, so you can't really go wrong here. Now enter your Google Analytics tracking ID in that field. Type or paste it carefully and double check for extra spaces or missing characters. If you're using GA4, the format should look like G followed by numbers and letters. If you still use Universal Analytics, it will look like UA followed by numbers. Make sure you're using the ID from the correct property, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once it's in place, the setting is saved with your site's configuration. From here, Google Analytics will begin receiving data from your Google site. You may not see full reports immediately. It can take some time for data to populate. The real-time view in Google Analytics can help you confirm that visits are being recorded, and remember that only visits to the published site count, not activity inside the editor. Also keep in mind that privacy regulations may require disclosure or consent on your site. Depending on your audience and region, that's it. Open your site, go to Settings and Analytics, and enter your tracking ID. With those steps done, you'll be able to monitor traffic and make data-informed decisions about your content. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.